Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how I connected my IKEA sink to an existing drain. In America, most of the time we have a drain coming out of the wall that is a little bit longer. So it goes like this. Why? Because the drain is located right in the middle of the whole vanity system. So the drain is right in the middle. So this corresponds to the drain going right here. So it is probably about a foot away from the wall. Now, if you buy an IKEA, of course, everything is minimalistic, and because they are designed for Europe. Right now, in 2021, they have a new system where a sink like this has a drain that goes all the way back towards the wall. Now, this gives most of people probably a big headache how to connect it when the drain is normally coming out straight here. So it took me probably 15 minutes to figure it out, but here's what I did. Hopefully this will help you. So my drain originally was also coming out of the wall, and it's right here. This elbow is going straight down because of the way this cabinet is designed. We have drawers right here. So as you can see right now, when I close the drawer, this cannot be pointing down because you're not gonna be able to open and close the drawers. So what I did, so I turn this elbow 90 degrees. So I put one P-trap with an elbow and another P-trap that goes straight from the sink to have a nice and clean connection without destroying anything and without cutting that connection close to the wall. As you can see, everything is glued in. I could have kind of cut this in, but this could have led to a little bit more problems and disasters. I didn't want to make this a little bit shorter, plus also you have valves on both sides, so connecting that in different way might have been kind of difficult. So I figured this is the best way, and it does work. So as you can see again, this is nice and clean connection where you have a drain going to one P-trap, elbow, another P-trap, and then the water goes right here. If I turn the water on, everything works fine. It's just the water is standing in P-trap, not right here, but this is the level of the water. If you make good connections right here, there is no leaks, everything will work fine. And this way you can have a nice soft closing vanity with nice drawers in a bathroom. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.